I'm giving up on men. I'm giving up. I'm very content. But I have 3 beautiful children. So I don't have a sex life. Believe me, I can hold out longer than Lisa Marie. Please start closing us. Well, now it's all yours. Keep coming to play. My dating days are over.
Hi. How much love? Love me sometime?
Yes, I would. Thursday dinner.
I need the address.
I pictured you climbing every mountain, fording every stream. Well, I followed every ranger, so I found my dream.
She was working in a bridal shop in Flushing, Queens, and her boyfriend kicked her out in one of those crushing scenes. But she didn't know that she comes from home. So on the bridge, she thought she took a shot, filled the door. She was wearing some makeup, but